Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to make a pizza together that will change the whole game. Seriously, if you learn how to make this, you'll never order pizza from outside again. Stay with me until the end of the video because I've got all kinds of cool tips for you. 1. I'm adding a spoonful of yeast. Now add a spoonful of sugar, another of salt, and lukewarm water. This step helps activate the yeast. Now let it sit somewhere warm so it can rise. You see, the secret to a great pizza is in the dough. Now I'm using 3 spoons of fancy flour, or you can use regular flour. I'm using regular flour and now I'm going to sift it. This step makes our dough very soft and delicate. The secret to a fluffy dough is adding an egg. It turns out great with it. Definitely give it a try. As you add the eggs to the flour, keep mixing. Now it's time for the yeast, our yeast. Gradually add it in. See how soft this dough has become. Add a little water to it. Kneading this dough feels like meditation to me, that's all. Pour your good energy into this dough because food made with love tastes better. Now let it rest. Just like we sometimes need to rest to regain our energy. Now it's time to play with colors using your pizza ingredients. I love my pizza to be full of colors, just like life is beautiful with variety. Some fresh onions and mushrooms. It is absolutely essential that you follow these instructions. You must ensure that every single step is completed exactly as described. This is a mandatory requirement that cannot be ignored, so you must be careful to do it right. We add colored stuffed bell peppers to it. I love colored stuffed bell peppers. Now it is finally time to add the ingredients. We also added green bell pepper to it. Next, we carefully add some dried oregano into the savory tomato sauce. Our pizza ingredients are ready. See how well this dough cooperates with me? When you give the dough time to rest, it makes it easier to fill when you're stuffing it. I don't blame you at all. I love this part. It's like I'm shaping a pizza until it's ready. For a beautiful gathering, cooking means those sweet preparations to achieve an excellent result. Now for the sauce, spreading over the dough like a canvas. I apply it with a generous hand. Sugar is the main ingredient in pizza dough. With this homemade sauce, I arrange the ingredients in such a way that every bite is delicious. The kitchen is ready. I have a special rule. Add whatever makes you feel good. Now it's time for the pizza toppings. I spread it over the dough. I add the mushrooms to it as well. Now it's time for these fresh white mushrooms. See how beautiful they look? They fit right in. I like to arrange them layer by layer with care so that when the pizza comes out of the oven, it looks like a painting. Alright. Arranging these mushrooms for me is as delightful as putting together pieces of a puzzle. Every single piece I place feels like I'm giving this pizza its own personality. Pizza cheese is like the outfit that dresses up the pizza so it can charm in the oven. When this cheese melts and turns golden, that's when the real magic begins. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees and place the pizza inside. The pizza is ready. The smell of fresh bread and melted cheese fills the whole place. This is the moment that takes all your tiredness away. Do you agree with me? Nothing can replace homemade food. Now let's slice that pizza. Beautiful triangular slices. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like my channel, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my next delicious recipes. Love you all. Goodbye.